Hi everyone, welcome to North Campus Essential Calculus Problem Series. In this series, we solve important calculus problems step by step, making sure every concept is clear and easy to follow. And in this lecture, we will solve the integral of tangent x. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Let's write the integral again. We have the integral of tangent x dx. To integrate this function, you should first rewrite it in the form of sine divided by cosine. Let's write it sine x divided by cosine x times dx. We use the substitution method when we have a function's derivative multiplied by dx. Here, if you notice, we have a situation where dx is multiplied by the derivative of cosine x. That's why we will use substitution here. Let's say cosine x equals to u. Cosine x equals to u. Then take derivative both sides. Minus sine x times dx equals to du. Then this means that sine x times dx equals to minus du. Then we will write minus du instead of sine x dx. And we will write u instead of cosine x. Then the integral becomes integral of minus 1 over u times du. And let's write it, take the negative sign outside the integral, minus integral 1 over u times du. And this is minus ln absolute value of u. Since u was cosine x, then the integral becomes minus ln absolute value of cosine x and plus the constant c. See you in the next question, the next video.